Hey guys, I'm Bez and welcome to your 10th Java Swing tutorial. Now in this video, you'll just be learning about combo boxes. Now if you remember, we had already used combo boxes once when we were downloading the window builder plugin for our Eclipse in the first video. So here I'll just show you how you can create your own combo box and put it to good use, right? So first, this is a simple form that I've built and now I'll just put absolute layout over it. And then I'll just bring a simple combo box. In this way, I won't just be providing many applications in this video, just be a pretty simple one demonstrating you the basics. Then you can just do your research on it. Just change the font a bit, like 14, and again it's Times New Roman because I like that font. And that's it. I have my combo box over here. So I'll just go to source now. Now if I just run this, you see, then this combo box is empty, right? There are nothing over here. So I need something to begin with, right? So I'll just need to add the items to my combo box, and for that I'll just go to source. And here I'll just add the items, and this is how you do it. You write the name of the combo box object, which in my case is combo box, and you write add item, and here just specify the item, whatever it is. Like here I'm just going to be using name of some cities like London. Again combo box dot add item, and the second city would be what? New York. And lastly I'll just use combo box add item, and this city would be Paris. And at first I'll just be adding another item. This is not a name of a city, rather it would just tell the user to choose any one of the cities. So the name of this item would simply be choose. So that's it. And now if I run this application, you can see my items are appearing here, right? Now here I can choose anything I want from here, but it has no functionality, right? Now what I will do is, whenever the user chooses any one of the cities, not choose, he will just select any one of these three cities, and whenever he does that, then a message box will appear on the screen telling that you have selected this city, right? So it's pretty simple. So let's just try it. So first of all, I'll just need to create an item listener for it. So I'll again do it the same way like the previous videos. Now here I again need to see whether it is selected or not, because a combo box 2 can either be selected or not selected. Dot get state change, if it's equal to item event dot selected. So if it's selected, then I'll do my job, right? And next I will check whether the name of the city is anything except choose or not, right? So if it's anything except choose, then that means I have to display the message. So here I'll just write it like this. So combo box dot, now to get the item that is currently selected in your combo box, you use this method get selected item. Now you can see here are two methods. One is get selected item and the second one is get selected index. Now the item directly gives you the item that is selected, and the get selected index method returns you the index of that item. Like suppose London is the first city, right? So if I select London and I use get selected index method, it would return me 1, because in case of combo box 2 it starts from like 0, then 1, then 2. So likewise it will just return me the index, right? So I'll just use item, and then I also have to use the toString method to convert it to string. And now I'll just use strings built-in equals method to compare it with choose. Now if these conditions won't satisfy, only then I'll display the message, right? Because if it's equal to choose, then nothing would really happen. So if it's not equal to choose, if this condition won't satisfy, then that means I have to do this. What I'll do, I'll simply display a message, show message dialog. First component is again null, and in the second component I again have to use the getSelectedItem method. And I'll just write it as is selected. Pretty simple. And that's pretty much it. Now if I run my application, you can see nothing really happening, you can see that nothing's really happening, right? Now if I choose any city like London, see, one message is popping up that London is selected. And now say I choose New York, and then it again pops up New York is selected. And similarly for Paris as well, Paris is selected, right? But if I select choose, then nothing would happen because of this condition over here, that if it's not equal to choose, only then this message would be displayed. So this was a pretty simple example regarding combo boxes. There are many other ways in which you can apply combo boxes. Also for the previous example, like changing the font of a text, you can use it. So just go ahead, practice more about these combo boxes until you become a pro. So that's it guys, that's it for this video, and in the next one I'll again be teaching you something very interesting. Stay tuned and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.